how to make today. This sweet strawberry luscious sexy juicy vegan dessert. It's one of my favorites and it's a very quick and short easy recipe and it takes literally like 5 minutes to make. Today I will show you how I make one of my most favorite strawberry desserts smoothie. It's vegan, it's sweet, it's delicious, it's soft and smooth and it has a little bit of crunch inside of it, and it's gluten free, it's sugar free, like white sugar free, and it takes only these 3 main ingredients. You can add options, add more as an option, but this is the base. And it's very quick and easy to make. So I got some strawberries from the shop, frozen strawberries. You can have them fresh as well. This was the easy option for me today. So it literally takes like 5 minutes to make. So you put the strawberries. And this is going to be a portion for 3 people. So I take 2 packets of 450 grams per packet. And you take some dates for additional sweetness. And also these dates, they turn into like little caramel toffee, little sweets, like chewy, soft caramels. I like that. So I add like a big handful, maybe even another handful. Yeah. And you add it to your taste. If you like it less sweet, add a smaller handful, and if you like a lot of caramels, then add a lot. And then for a little bit of crunch and creaminess and milky taste, I put some fresh coconut chips. So this is raw food right here, and you could just go with these 3 ingredients. You don't need anything more really, because the coconut chips, they give this creamy milkiness. But if you wanna add some, make it even more creamy, then you can add some soya milk or any kind of milk, oat milk, rice milk, coconut milk. You could even get some milk from a can, like this really creamy thick can. You could sometimes, when I want like this really creamy ice cream flavor, then I add like half a can of this coconut milk, creamy milk from a can. And you could make also your own fresh milk if you have a milk plant, a milk maker. But here I add some soya milk, because I like the taste and I feel good after. And yeah, and this is it. If you would like to extend the recipe, you could add a tiny bit of lemon squeeze, or just invent your own. You could always add to the recipes you find online and experiment with them. Add something of your own flavor, or experiment with different dried fruits, like try dates or try some peaches, try some mulberries another time. You could add some bananas if you like the banana flavor. But if you do add some bananas, then the bananas, they really they're very expansive in flavor and they take over a bit of the other flavors. You could add some avocados as well if you like it more like dense creaminess. So you can really experiment. Add some chocolate powder, But here you can really do it just with 3 ingredients. And let's go. Oh, kurwa. So I forgot to put in the I don't know how to call this. So I'm gonna put a little towel over it. Can you throw me the towel, please? So this is when this is when accidents happen in the kitchen. And we're gonna go at it again. Strawberries, juicy red jewels of nature. Each bite is a kiss of summer, full of sweetness and delicate tartness. They awaken the senses and infuse the body with energy and power. They are rich in vitamin C, which brightens the skin and strengthens immunity. Their antioxidants are guardians of youth, protecting our skin. Dates, soft, sweet gems of the desert. Their flavor is like warm embrace that instantly calms the soul. Dates are a natural source of energy, potassium, and fiber, supporting digestion and heart health. Their sweetness acts as a gentle aphrodisiac for the senses, subtly and tenderly awakening body and mind. Raw coconut chips, crunchy pieces of tropical delight. Coconut supports the immune system, provides healthy fats, and gives the dessert a crunchy texture. Soya milk, creamy, silky, like a velvety mist flowing over the palate. It is a source of plant-based protein that nourishes the body, while isoflavones support hormonal balance and skin beauty. I'm gonna add another handful. I like it really, really sweet. I feel dates are very nourishing and healthy, like the Spartans when they walked long kilometers and distances. They would eat 4 dates for the whole journey, and they would have lots of power. So I like to eat a lot of dates. It's so delicious. I can feel the little like toffee caramels chewy in my mouth with the fresh cold strawberry cream and the creaminess of the plant milk. Velvety, gooey, creamy, delicious ice cream. I could eat 2 cups of this ice cream. And what's amazing, you cannot put weight on this because it's some would say it's mainly water because of the strawberries. The strawberries are great antioxidants and enzymes and very hydrating, like all fruits are so hydrating. And yeah, there's no guilt. This is free guilt ice cream. First of all, because you're healthy, you're not gonna put weight. And second, because this ice cream is kind for the planet, kind for the animals, kind for the forests, and everybody benefits. The planet, the animals, our environment, the nature, our bellies, and our pleasure buds on our tongue can enjoy this. You could even say this is like a very tantric dessert. Let me get another. You could say this is like a very tantric dessert because it's light and healthy and juicy and hydrating, and gives you a lot of energy if you want to go and work out or go for a jog or have a nice date with your loved one, and it can put you in a very good mood. It's and it's an aphrodisiac. And daj mi jeszcze miętę. So we put some mint in here, and if you would like to make it even more juicy, delicious, luscious and sexy, you could add some vegan chocolate, like some raw cacao chocolate, and melt it over some hot water. I will do that in another video to show you how to make this delicious chocolate vegan chocolate that you can pour over these delicious ice cream, and then it hardens and it's crunchy when you bite it. This is my delicious, juicy, sexy